Well, you mentioned his family. His family really growing up before our eyes. It was 2 years ago when we met his wife and she was expecting. Now the son, 18 months old. He had Lawrence 220 pounds, so he has a lot of mass to get through this ring toss.
Yeah, and he's now carrying that weight with just his arm, and it's a 24-foot distance across to the other side.
Ooh,